any casey that comes with is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Let's go for a fact check. 5K 30 plus 4K 60, 1080p at 240 frames per second. On your photos, we got it on a 20 megapixel chip. It's going to be 33 feet or 10 meters below seawater. In voice control, it uses 8 times slow-mo with data overlays. There is a 1080p live streaming that you can live stream to YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and so forth. There is time warp at 3.0, so then you can do a time lapse while you walk, and also once you press it, then you can just start talking to the camera. Then there is a Super Photo plus HDR there is a webcam mode which is currently in beta, compatible touchscreen with the camera. Stabilization on the GoPro Hero 9 Black is hyper smooth at 3.0. Thanks for the fact check. You'll be needing is the GoPro app, which you can find it in the Google Play Store or App Store. So in here we got is the GoPro Floaty. It's a new version. I'm gonna compare this later on. It's some GoPro mounts. This is magnetic. Then we have is 2 GoPro batteries. So right here we have is the main GoPro Hero 9 Black. Here we have some extra GoPro mount. Most reviewers, they will usually throw this away. But I don't usually throw this away because they usually complain about that there's no divider. But you have a divider right here. So if you get the bundle, don't just throw it away. But if you have is just the Hero 9 version, but not the bundle, then that makes sense to throw the extra paper in there. It also does come with a free SD card, 32 gigabytes. So right here is the USB-C new charger, GoPro Hero 9 Black bundle unboxing. Go ahead and check our comparison video up in the iCard above. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe as we test this.